General Dynamics Information Technology provides a broad range of supply chain and other logistics services to our federal and military customers. Those services include procurement, sourcing, warehousing, distribution, transportation, and product delivery. Many of the supply chains that support our government customers differ greatly from commercial supply chains. While it's not easy to ship anywhere in the United States, it gets much harder to deliver products and services throughout the world. The challenges in a global environment include ever-changing customs and international regulations, geopolitical tensions, and operating in areas of extremely high threat. In order to meet those challenges, we must implement automation such as the JDA warehouse management system in order for us to more effectively and efficiently process those orders and deliver them anywhere in the world whenever they are needed.
We can see where there's problems, when there's problems instantaneously to resolve them without impact to the operation. With the WMS, we have greater visibility into many facets of our operation, from inbound to receiving, including outbound, but most importantly, for me, inventory control.
In an increasingly complex world, General Dynamics IT recognizes that we need to be responsive and accurate and provide that visibility. The General Dynamics IT supply chain services encompasses all commercial best practices while utilizing or meeting all of the government compliance and regulations. I think the future of the supply chain is faster, more efficient, and more responsive. But this is all going to be enabled through bigger and better technology.